In the realm of Python, there exists a library known as Pandas. Imagine it as a digital table, a place where you can arrange, modify, and examine data with ease. Now picture a Python programmer, hunched over their computer, fingers flying across the keyboard as they craft of Pandas code. In the blink of an eye, raw data is transformed into a comprehensible format. Pandas is more than just a tool, it's a solution, a lifeline for data enthusiasts. It takes your complex data and, like a masterful conductor, orchestrates it into a symphony of information. It organizes and arranges, making sense of the chaos. From handling missing data to reshaping and merging datasets, the prowess of Pandas is undeniable. It stands as a beacon for data manipulation and analysis, a veritable Swiss Army knife in the world of Python. Envision the power of Pandas, a tool that not only simplifies but revolutionizes your data analysis journey. Dive into the world of Pandas and let your data tell its remember. In the realm of data, Pandas is king. Installation and usage, Pandas in practice. Welcome to the next agenda in our data journey, where we will learn how to install and use the Pandas library. The installation is simple. Start by opening your terminal, type pip install pandas and hit enter. This command instructs Python's package installer pip to download and install the Pandas library. Now let's move on to how to use Pandas. Once the installation is complete, you can import Pandas into your Python script. Just type import pandas as PD and you're set. You've successfully welcomed Pandas into your Python world. But what's next? How do we use this powerful tool? Pandas offers two primary data structures, the series and the data frame. Picture a series as a one-dimensional array-like object that can hold any data type. It's like a single column in an Excel sheet. On the other hand, a data frame is a two-dimensional table of data with rows and columns, similar to a full spreadsheet. Creating a series is as easy as calling PD series data, where data can be a list, dictionary, or scalar value. For a data frame, you can use PD dataframe data, where data can be a dictionary of series, lists, or end arrays. The power of Pandas is at your fingertips. With it, you can transform raw, complex data into a clear and comprehensible format. So, take the plunge and let Pandas revolutionize your data analysis journey. Remember, in the world